Today on Red Lick Outdoors, we're going to be doing a part two, follow-up essentially to our 357 Magnum hand loads. Okay, as I said in the intro, we're going to be doing a follow-up here on our 357 Magnum hand loads. Gone back and reloaded some more test ammo. Once again, this is a 158 grain Hornady XTP bullet. We're using H110 powder. This time it's going to be 16.0 to 16.1 grains of H110. My Lee Deluxe perfect powder measure was throwing it out pretty consistent, so 16.0 to 16.1 grains. Anyway, let's get these guns loaded up and see what kind of results we get. Okay, first step, we'll be testing out this loading with the Blackhawk here. $1274.9, 1185.0, 1167.3, 1203.4, 1281.2. Okay, let's check out the summary. Average was 1222.4. Minimum was 1147.3. Maximum was 1281.2. Standard deviation was awful, 46.9. Extreme spread is 113.8. I don't have my glasses on, so y'all can read that. And kinetic energy 524.1. Power factor, I think that says 193.1. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, now we're going to be testing them in the 686 plus Smith & Wesson. $1171.9, 1180.8, 1200.1, 1160.4, 1176.8. Okay, on the summary there, got 1178.0 is the average, minimum of 1160.4, maximum 1200.1. Got a lot better standard deviation there, 13.0, and extreme spread of 39.7. So I may have just had one or two shots in there in that previous one that, in that Blackhawk, that were just off a little bit. That's a lot more consistent right there. Okay, let's try this with the Rossi R92. $1652.9, 1734.6, 1694.9, 1683.4, 1664.0. Okay, the summary there, average was 1686.0, minimum was 1652.9, maximum 1734.6, standard deviation 28.4, So-so, not the best, not the worst. Extreme spread 81.7. Kinetic energy 997.0. And power factor 266.4. Okay, so I've got enough test ammo left to test this Blackhawk one more time. I want to see if we get any better results this time around. $1201.4. 1270.7. 1193.6. 1230.0. 1265.1. Okay, let's look at the summary there. Average was 1232.2. Minimum was 1193.6. Maximum was 1270.0. Standard deviation still 31.6. Still ain't good. Extreme spread 77.1. I think all that's better than it was before. I can't remember. I'll have to look back. Kinetic energy was 532.5. Power factor 194.7. Well, that load seemed to work okay in the 686 Plus. I don't know why it would be so different in the Blackhawk. I just probably need to do some more work or find something that works a little bit better with it. It did okay enough in the Rossi R92. I mean, granted, it did good enough in the Blackhawk. I mean, it's not gonna, it's still gonna do the intended job. I'm just trying to maybe come up with a little bit better, more consistent load. Anyway, until next time, y'all have a good one. I'll talk to y'all later.